we're going to peel and clean up our onions and our garlic. Start by just removing with a sharp knife the top of the onion and the little root section, and just peel off that outer brown skin and any dirt or anything that's on there. You may have to rinse it in water. These are pretty clean, so we'll put that there. And we're using 4 nice onions. Some of them are big and some of them are small. You want an average of 4 good healthy ones. If you like your soup a little more oniony, then you can certainly add more onion. If you don't like garlic, you don't need to add the garlic. Or if you like a lot of garlic, you just add more garlic. And we'll take off the top and the bottom. These onions are making me cry. Sometimes it helps to cut the onion in half to get the peel off. That helps a little. You just take a paring knife and kind of grab a piece and peel it back. Now let's peel this garlic. A good trick to peeling the garlic is to whack it with either the flat end of a knife or crush it like this. Or I like to take a sturdy glass and just bang it. And that will loosen the skin from the outside, and it basically just falls right off the skin. And you shouldn't struggle with garlic. The peel comes right off. Okay, next we'll be cutting up our vegetables and trimming them to put in the pot.